Was not expecting to be doing more of this, but today I went to Walmart to pick up some stuff, and they had 2 hanger boxes, which I didn't even know existed. So I picked them up, looked them up, and apparently they have exclusive Walmart cards. So we're going to rip into them and see what we can get. I'm thinking it's just exclusive base cards. I'm not expecting anything, honestly, besides more base. And I cannot open a hanger box to save me. What the heck? Well, hopefully you're not keeping it to save the box. What the heck? Okay. Here's our exclusive cards. Let's get into these first, since this is what we came for. Oh. This is weird. Backlash Raw, and SummerSlam. Okay. So yeah, just more base. Rip these, see if there's anything. You can hit stuff, but I'm not expecting to hit stuff. Just a lot. Okay, free pack. John Cena card, 2 bronze. And a whole bunch of base. Alright, so if you're wanting to complete the set, Walmart just made it 10 times more difficult. So I drop everything, but at least I think I'm getting different ones in this one. Dean Ambrose. I'm sorry I'm in a different location. But yeah, they look different. That's the only thing that bothers me. But yeah, just more base. Interesting. Still need get. I need. Yeah, nothing else. I still need a Kevin Owens and Dean Ambrose Wrestlemania. 3 blaster boxes, 2 hanger boxes, and a hobby box. Still have not got it. Well, what did I do with the other ones? Well, this is what you get. 10. These 20 bucks got me 10 exclusive cards. Hopefully there's only 10. Are they not numbered? Okay, there's 7, 4. Oh, there's 20 of them. Well, that stinks. Well, that's it. New product. Alright, so check it out. If you're wanting to complete the set, I'm going to need to get 2 more of these, which stinks, but thanks for watching.